An electric induction furnace uses scrap or sponge iron as raw material. The raw material is heated to the steel melting temperature using induction heating and subsequently casted to form ingots and billets. The energy consumption and quality of products from an electric induction furnace largely depends on the quality of the raw material fed into the furnace. In addition to the energy consumption, the quality of material also affects the cycle time of heat. Scrap is the major raw material in induction furnace units across India, especially in northern and western India. In these areas, the scrap quantities being used normally are more than 70%. The present practice suggests that a majority of induction furnace units feed unprocessed scrap. The unprocessed or non-shredded scrap is fed with the charge mix either by a magnet or through a manual charging mechanism. Due to this charging practice, the bulk density of scrap charge is low, which results in air pockets or voids between the scrap pieces that subsequently leads to low power density, ultimately increasing the heat per cycle time. Best charging practices such as bucket charging or charging through vibro feeder are also not possible for non-shredded scrap, leading to the furnace operating at low efficiency. The size and shape of scrap plays an important role in running the induction furnace at full power or load, which is the best operating practice. The more the furnace runs at full power, lower will be the total energy losses, leading to lower specific energy consumption. The best practice is to use dense scrap charge for a faster melt rate and lower energy consumption. Small and dense scrap pieces are preferred for optimum results. To adopt this best practice, it is proposed to follow the following process. Segregate scrap based on types and quality. Use shredding machine to cut larger pieces of scrap into smaller pieces. The shredder also removes rust and dust from the scrap. Use baler to compress the scrap into pieces with higher bulk density. Use bucket feeding or vibro feeder for feeding of compressed scrap into the furnace. The processed scrap, because of its higher bulk density, increases the charging rate and also helps in better power coupling, means maximum power input, which increases the melt rate, thus reducing heat per cycle time. Processed scrap has many advantages over other types of scrap, particularly when used in an induction furnace. Better power coupling, less slag generation because it is free from dust and rust, more lining life, better productivity and less air pollution. However, scrap processing can be applied only to light commercial scrap. The availability of the same is a concern in India.